Assalamu alaikum. This session about the second shape of saw, but it has dot above. So that's the same sound for da. Da, light sound, like this shape. This is da. We said that before. So do, heavy. We said before the strong sound or heavy sounds makes reprise feel. So do, do, do. So you can grind on your right jaw or left jaw. Okay, just grind on this part or this part, and your teeth here. Okay, so grind and say that sound, just one part of them. So do, do, and make your tongue grind here. So do, do, the same. If you can't do this, just make surprise and say that sound or make heavy sound for da. So da smile, do, that surprise face. Do, line above, do, 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 do has line in the bottom, do, line with circle, round your lips. Do, okay? Do, 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 do. See you next time.